Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, tonight I am using some of my turkey broth. Use some leftover turkey as well and make some turkey ramen. Okay, so 3 times the amount of water to broth. To that we're going to add some Chinese fire spice, some extra black pepper, some homegrown shiitake mushrooms, Chinese cooking wine, now the closest thing to this is a sherry if you can't get Chinese cooking wine, and just a little bit of fish sauce. Now we'll heat that up. Okay, now we've got that simmer going. You can see the shiitake mushrooms are starting to pick up some moisture. They're starting to rehydrate. So now that it's simmering, we're going to add in some palm sugar. Just give that a quick stir to dissolve the sugar, and we're just going to keep cooking until those mushrooms are fully rehydrated. Making the soup is the long part of making ramen. Now while we've got our soup simmering away to get all those flavors combined, we're just going to do some eggs, aiming for a medium firm egg. We'll see how we go. Just as I'm heating up the water for the noodles, just going to add a couple of last ingredients to the soup. I don't put them in early because flavors can burn. So a couple of teaspoons of garlic, half a teaspoon of chili, just let them have a quick cook while we heat up the water, and then cook the noodles. Water's at the boil. Put a little basket in, drop in some fresh egg noodles. Time to serve. Noodles first. Our egg, which came out perfectly medium firm. We have some turkey, we have breast, thigh, a little bit of skin. Finely shredded carrot. Chives. Soup over the top of that. As a nod to where it came from, a little bit of cranberry. Now the all-important taste test. And that is delicious. Alright, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.